If you're an aviation enthusiast, then you need to know about the F-20 Tigershark, an almost legendary fighter jet that couldn't quite take off. Developed in the late 70s and introduced in 1982, the Northrop F-20 Tigershark was a sleek, nimble export fighter designed to be cost-effective and versatile. With a single General Electric F-404 engine, it boasted 60% more thrust than its predecessor, the F-5E Tiger II, and could reach speeds over Mach 2. Advanced avionics, composite materials, and fly-by-wire controls made it a pilot's dream. Yet, despite these innovations, the F-20 never found its market. Policy changes in the 80s allowed the export of the more established F-16, leaving the Tigershark in the dust. Only 3 prototypes were ever built, and none were sold. Ultimately, Northrop pulled the plug in 1986, shifting focus to the V-2 Spirit. The F-20 remains a fascinating what could have been in aviation history.